Hello students, today we will do a very quick theory revision of lines and angles, which is the second chapter of the new NCERT mathematics book for class 6. So let us start. We will cover only the most important points here. So what's the first important point? It is what we already know as the point. What is a point? A point is basically a zero-dimensional object. Remember, no length or breadth, okay, and it is denoted by a capital letter like P over here. Next we have line. A line which passing through 2 points A and B is called a line AB. It is written like this, AB, and at the top we denote like this. This arrow, they both extends indefinitely in both directions. Next we have a plane, which is a flat surface like this over here, and you see this is a plane and it extends indefinitely in all the 4 directions. Then you see points that all lie on a single line are called collinear points, like the points over here, point A, B, C. These 3 points are collinear points. Now if 2 lines meet, an intersection point is formed. Suppose these are 2 lines, say A, B, and another 2 lines, say C and D. Then they are meeting at this point. Suppose this is K. So this is the intersection point. Next, 3 or more lines that meet at the same point are called concurrent. See over here, if 3 lines here that meet at the same point, they are known as concurrent lines. Now next point, a line segment or interval which is a part of the line. Suppose we have this was the actually line. Now we have cut a part of it. See over here, this thing, okay, this is known as the segment of the line or the line segment, and it is denoted by like this, okay. Next we have ray. In the case of ray, again this is a part of the line AB and it is written like this here. In this case, you see this is the starting point and the other point extends indefinitely, okay. So it starts from one point, passes through other, and indefinitely extends in this direction. Okay, so here when 2 rays meet, okay, now what happens when 2 rays like this they meet? You see, when 2 rays meet, an angle is formed. See the angle over here, and they meet at the common point, which is the vertex, okay, and these 2 arms are the arms of the angle. So an angle has 3 components, 2 arms and 1 vertex. Next, you see how to name an angle. An angle is named using 3 points. One is the vertex point and other 2 points are on the 2 arms of the angle. Say here point A and point B. So the angle will be named either ABC or CBA. And the measure of the angle, say 10 degree, 30 degrees, say some unknown number A. So it is measure is A degree. We use normally lower case letters, say A degree, B degree, to represent the measure of the angle. Next, 2 parallel lines. So what are parallel lines? Suppose 2 lines and the distance between them, you see, it is always the same no matter where you go. The distance between these 2 lines, say, remains the same over here. See, the distance here is the same as the distance over here, and if it is so, then we say that the 2 lines AB is parallel to DC, okay. Next, these 2 lines are perpendicular. What do you mean by that? Perpendicular means when the measure between them is 90 degree. The 2 lines intersect each other at an angle of 90 degree. So it is 90 degree here, 90 degree here, everywhere it is 90 degree. Next, the marking on this diagram, okay, show that AB, this is the way of marking equal sides. Say for example, this side is equal in length to this side, so we denote like this. Again, this side is equal in length to this side, so we denote like this. Okay, and see the angle here, it is double angle, so this angle is equal to this angle, or this angle is equal to this angle. Differently saying, I can say this is angle A, this is angle A, this is angle B, or this is angle B. Now, angles are classified according to their size. So, what is acute angle? See over here. Acute angle, the measure is between 0 to 90 degree. Next, right angle, you see like this, which we have just shown you. Okay, or this. Next, obtuse angle, where the measure is between 90 and 180 degree. Next, straight angle, which is just this, like this, a straight line. So, this is 180 degree. Next, we have the reflex angle, which is between 180 and 360 degree, like this. And total revolution line is like this. Okay, total revolution 360 degree. Now, protractor. So, a protractor can be used to measure angles to within an accuracy of about half a degree. Some protractors have increasing scale marked both clockwise and anti-clockwise from 0. Let us see this over here, how to use a protractor. Say for example, from the angles shown, state the type of the angle and the measure its size. Say this angle AOB. So how do we do that? See over here. Okay, let me show it to you nicely. So see, you just put the protractor like this. Okay, so you put the protractor like this. So AOB, if you put the B on the straight line coinciding with this 0, then you start observing the angle. So how much is the angle over here? See, 0, 10, 20, 30, 40, 60. So the measure of the angle AOB is how much? 60 degree. Understood, students?